Hey, what's going on, guys? Avi, aka the Penguin. I know I haven't posted anything in a while. I just been really busy with life in general and have a lot going on, and don't really do this as much as I used to, just because it takes a while to grow, and who really has time for that? Am I right? So, but I did want to post this because it's something that I think people are struggling with, and to be honest, I struggle with it myself. It took me about 2.5 hours to figure this out, so I don't really want people wasting their time with it and having to look all over the internet to figure this out. So let me get this point, okay? I even have the video to show you. Imagine you want to record a video, but your MK4 or your MP4 MKV file is not working, okay? Just like this. You see? So imagine I click it and nothing. See, it doesn't want to go. It's just a black screen, but yet I have the 6 seconds here. So what you would do is very simple. The reason why it's doing this is because you have to go to your settings. Okay, you're gonna have to go to your, make sure obviously your audio input is okay. Go to your advanced settings right over here, okay, by video. You're gonna have direct 3D. I'm sure you're gonna have this or something else similar to it, but that should be fine. But by color format, you're gonna have to change this. The i420, this is fine. This is why it's recording right now, and this is why I'm able to show you this video. But it's probably by you gonna be on i444. So if you bombstick put it there or put itself there, that's what's causing you the issue, and that's why the video is not working. So you just gotta change it. This is what worked for me, and that's how I'm posting this video right now. So I hope it works for you, and then I hope I fixed your issues.